Hey there, let's make some me oh my lemon pie. I used to make this pie quite often for special occasions and holidays, and my kids absolutely loved it. It is easy, it's quick, it's inexpensive, everybody loves it. There's no baking at all. So here's what you need: a graham cracker pie crust. Now you can make your own, but the idea of this is for it to be easy and simple. So I bought a pie crust, a container of Cool Whip. I like a lot of Cool Whip in it. I like it to be very thick, so I bought 2 small containers. My store didn't have the large one. You need some sweetened condensed milk. I've always used the Eagle brand, but all stores have their own brand and they're all good. I just use this because my mother did, and I always have 2. You need 1 can of lemonade frozen concentrate. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is pour Eagle brand in our bowl. Now, put your Eagle brand in. This stuff is so good. Makes such yummy desserts. When I went to the store to get this, they had 1 can left on the shelf. They had a lot of their own brand. I think it was Kroger that I went to. But you know what? Even the dollar stores, Family Dollar and Dollar General, they all have their own brand of this as well. Okay? 1 can of Eagle brand. And 1 12-ounce can of frozen lemonade concentrate. A little pull tap. Okay. Just pour that in. Scary, isn't it? It'll turn out great. Okay, now what you want to do is mix that up. And as you mix it, you will see that this Eagle brand and the lemonade make a really thick, creamy mixture. Quite lemony as well. If you want to and you don't like so much lemon, you can always use a smaller can. I'm going to turn this light on over here. I don't think it's light enough. I don't know if that helped or not, but anyway. Alright, it gets really, really thick. You just stir it up, mix it together. It's going to thicken up. Okay, now you take your Cool Whip. You're going to add that in. Add all of that in, as much as you can get. No sense in wasting it, right? Now add the other one. If you don't want, this makes quite a bit of a topping on the pie, you might just use 1 Cool Whip. I've always used 2. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to mix that up. Guess I should have used my whisk. Might do a little faster. I guess you could even use a hand mixer. Shoot, I'm going to have to use my whisk. Gets thick. Gets really thick. This is another workout. That and my paint video. Works your arms. Mix it up. Mix it till you think you've got it all incorporated. Okay. There we go. Okay. Take your pie crust. Just spoon it in. Spoon it around. Get it smooth. Make sure it covered all the way to the edges. Okay. You can even put a little more on there if you think you want some more. Want it a little higher. This is going to set up in the fridge. It get nice and cold. Ready to cut. There you go. We're going to put it in the fridge. We'll let it set for about an hour or two. We'll bring it back out and cut it.